Rufa is the expression of Italian artistic DNA. The students will be introduced to the art world, establishing a direct contact with curators, galleries and foundations.
This new MA in Fine Art arises from the need to consolidate an important relationship between classic and contemporary. We will ask you to push your research to new boundaries through a series of experimental projects.
The young artists have a great opportunity to use a gallery inside the academy to challenge themselves with a solo and group exhibitions.
The relationship with the teachers was great. They were so friendly and so helpful. The best experience that I ever made in Rufa was winning the Rufa contest. Flight to New York and meeting Shirin Neshat was really great.
We will push you to experiment with techniques, pathways to create your professional skills.